just like a dream. Oh, why we no second team? I'm a lone wolf and I'm proud of it. My desire so fronting while I keep my mind on it. I am a poet, the voice, the master of my whole craft. Done a place of gold and listening to your whole draft of the wall that I prophesied while I was inside. Niggas, I can emphasize harder on this. I'm born for this, I won't desist. I know it is my destiny. Without resistance, wouldn't exist, but still persist to coexist. But I'll assist, my art insists to shake the weak from the eagle eye. Activism, man, you're strong enough for you to strive. Speaking for the voiceless, I just the silence. Could you top this, mess apart this? Cause I am a motherfucking